So anyways, my car has 96,000 miles, and can you guys hear the noise? Look at this noise. As I accelerate, the noise gets a little bit louder. It sounds like tire noise, but this is actually wheel bearing noise. And what I'm going to be doing today is actually replacing two front hubs with the wheel bearings inside of them. So I'm going to actually show you what condition they look like after I actually replace them. But this noise was actually going on shoot for about 30,000 miles now, and I've been driving with it like this. I just did not really have any time to really mess with it. But if you leave it unattended, this could actually melt your front bearing hubs, and actually could cause some trouble to where they could lock up or worse, I guess. But anyways, guys, if your car is making this type of noise, any kind of Nissan, then you just have to replace one hub or two of them. In my case, it sounds like it's the left one making the sound, but I'm going to go ahead and just replace two of them, because if one of them went out, then another one is about to go out. Guys, all done. Noise is gone. The front wheel bearing hubs were replaced today at my brother's shop. He actually offered to help me. He did one side while I did the other. All good, ready to go. Also, not to waste time, while we were on the lift, my brother went ahead and actually changed my oil for me. I bought my oil filter at Walmart, and of course we use Motul oil 5W20 at my brother's shop. But I went ahead and actually took some screenshots of Walmart displays of the oil filters that you could actually use in this car. So all of them were out, except we have a K&N filter that actually work, and then of course this Frem Tough Guard type of filter. So in this situation, I used Frem Tough Guard and left K&N as a spare. Also, we did a coolant flush, doing it the proper way, like the mechanics do, using special equipment at my brother's shop to try to drain all the fluid and actually replace it, because I actually had a radiator leak. More on that later. I already posted a video. You can actually check it out. It's pretty long. But this particular procedure, I'm going to make a separate video so you could see exactly how it's done, in case you're curious how to suck all the old fluid out and actually put the new stuff in. It's actually kind of cool. You have to use an air compressor to do it, and you simply basically just add water to your premix, and you could just use that little tube to suck everything out and replace the radiator fluid. Anyways, guys, if you do want to see me change my oil on this Nissan Altima, you want to see exactly how to do it, let me know, because next oil change I'm going to do it myself, and I'll show you the whole process. I'm pretty sorry that I did not share exactly how to remove the bearing hubs. I will actually show this on one of my other cars that I have here, because it's the same procedure. It was pretty easy to do, guys, to be honest. It's just a lot of like hammering and stuff like that and adjusting. But all in all, it's a very simple job. I was in a hurry, so I didn't have my tripod with me, so we did not make that type of video how to actually do everything. But next time at my brother's shop, I'm gonna make a little bit more videos when it comes to other type of repairs. But let me know what else you want to see with the Nissan Altima, because right now this is my daily driver. It's actually making me really good money driving for Lyft. And of course I do other things. This is just to fill in the gaps of my schedule. If there is nothing else going on, I'm driving for Lyft. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. It's got the procedures right here.
Yeah, so you know how to use it. That's it. Now let's top it off.